Makeda makes a birthday treat. Makeda loved to make marvelous things, like robot puppets and cardboard cities, funny faces for baby cousins, magic potions, and felt flower crowns. Makeda made pretty presents that made Nana smile, and magnificent messes that made Mama frown. "You're on my side of the room," said her sister Candace. Candace loved to make rules. The next day was Makeda's birthday. At school, birthdays meant that the class sang special birthday songs. Miss Evelyn read a birthday book, and the birthday kid brought cupcakes to share. Makeda did not want to bring cupcakes. She wanted to bring marvelous coconut drops. "Nobody brings coconut drops," said Candace. "Everyone brings cupcakes," said her brother James. "Makeda is not nobody," said Mama. "And she is not everybody." "I want to share things I love," said Makeda. "Coconut drops and back home stories." That night, Makeda made sweet, spicy coconut drops with Mama and Nana. They sang while they cooked. They danced and dropped the drops. Nana made a special pot of tea. She told back home stories of mango trees and clear island waters. Next, Makeda and Daddy made a box for her birthday coconut drops. She wrote "Marvelous" in fancy letters across the top. Later in bed, she lay awake. Robert was always first to stand up for birthday cupcakes. What if he didn't stand up for coconut drops? The next morning at school, Makeda held her marvelous box high. "Birthday cupcakes," said her best friend Glory. "I like chocolate and lemon." "I like cupcakes too," said Makeda. "But today I brought coconut drops." "Will you share cupcakes after the coconut drops?" Glory asked. "I will share my family's story," said Makeda. "Coconut drops are a special treat in many countries." "Cupcakes are a special treat in Miss Evelyn's class," said Glory. Makeda frowned and put down her box. What if her classmate did not care about sunshine songs and back home stories? After math games, it was finally time for Makeda's marvelous birthday celebration. Her classmates sang. Miss Evelyn sang the loudest and the most off-key. Makeda took a deep breath. Glory squeezed her hand. Then Makeda stood and opened the beautiful box she had made. Her classmates leaned in to look. "Those cupcakes look funny," said Robert. Denise made a rude face. "Did you make a mistake?" asked Lou. "I made my special treat," said Makeda. "These are my marvelous coconut drops." Everyone looked at Makeda. Everyone looked at the box. Everyone looked back at Makeda. Tick-tock went the classroom clock. "Who would like to try coconut drops?" asked Miss Evelyn. "I'm getting cupcakes after school," said Denise. "No, you're not," said Mark. Then Glory stood up. "I would like one," she said. Glory bit. She chewed. She swallowed. She smiled. "It tastes like a sweet sunny day." She took another bite. "I love birthday coconut drops." "I made them with Nana and my mama, said Makeda. We drop the drops, we dance, we sing, and Nana tells me back home stories. Robert stood up. My daddy made stollen for a sweet treat, he said. I would like to try a coconut drop. He bit, he smiled. I can taste the stories. Soon, many of Makeda's classmates lined up for coconut drops. They told stories about their own family treats. I love Halo Halo, said Miss Evelyn. It is made from shaved ice, milk, and sometimes sweet beans. My favorite treat also has beans, said Glory, but it is not sweet. It is called moi moi. I eat it for breakfast. Beans are not a treat, said Taylor. Treats can be different for different people, said Makeda. I love mango, said Yahadia. It is not sweet. It is a little sour. On Sundays, my abuelo makes it with plantains. And we read the newspaper. Your abuelo reads the paper? Said Lou. You can't. She liked to give reminders and get gold stars. Our stories make our treats special, said Miss Evelyn. Thank you, Makeda, for sharing your joy. Some classmates had seconds. Some ate their own snacks. All shared more songs and stories. After school, Makeda and Glory made more coconut drops. They also made cupcakes and a big, colorful salad. Friendship treats are always sweet, said Makeda, and that is marvelous. Thank you very much for joining me today in meeting Makeda Makes a Birthday Treat. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.